Hello everyone, today we're comparing Microsoft Publisher and Adobe InDesign. Both tools help you create layouts for print and digital use, but they serve very different needs. Let's look at which one is right for your next project. Microsoft Publisher is designed for people who aren't professional designers. If you've used Word or PowerPoint, you'll feel right at home. It uses a simple drag and drop system. You can pick a template, swap out the text, and you're done. It's perfect for quick flyers, simple menus, or basic newsletters. Adobe InDesign is a different beast though. It's the industry standard for pros. The interface is much more complex and takes time to learn. However, it gives you total control over any tiny detail. If you want your text to wrap perfectly around a photo or need precise control over spacing, InDesign is the tool you need. InDesign shines when it comes to big projects. If you're making a 200-page book or a high-end magazine, InDesign handles it easily. It has advanced tools for photography and color management that pros love. It also works perfectly with other Adobe apps like Photoshop. Publisher is better for small everyday tasks. It doesn't have the same high-end printing tools that a professional shop might want. It's meant for printers or local print shops. Also keep in mind that Publisher only works on Windows. If you're on Mac, InDesign is your only choice between the two. Cost is the other big factor. Publisher is usually included in your Microsoft 365 plan, so it feels free if you already have Office. InDesign requires a monthly subscription, which can get expensive. Your choice depends on your needs. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.